Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Roku to a projector in 2026. So first of all, you need to insert Roku device into HDMI port on the projector. If the space is light, you can use HDMI extender for a better fit. Now you need to first of all power the Roku using USB cable, plug it into the projector's USB port or a wall adapter, and once powered the Roku will boot automatically. Now after doing this physical setup, you just have to turn on your projector and switch to the HDMI input where Roku is connected. Now you should see Roku setup screen. So you need to use the Roku remote to connect to your Wi-Fi network, and this is required for streaming the applications like Netflix or YouTube. If your projector has weak or no speakers, you can also use a Bluetooth speaker if it is supported, or you can also connect any kind of external speakers via aux or HDMI ARC. And that's it. That's how you can easily connect your Roku to your projector in 2026. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.